In this video we're at the Leigh Model Railways and Transport Modelling Exhibition in Leigh, funnily enough. Pauline's ready to do some filming there. Early doors for us, starting to fill up. Somebody wants to be in the camera again. Yeah, lots of layouts, lots of bargains, so yeah, looks like a good show. And there you go, have a look around at everything that's going on. Some traders over there. Have a quick look at this layout first. This gives you an idea of what you can expect today.
That's nice, that.
It's all nice, isn't it? Got the red lights on in there, look. Is that House of Ill Recruit?
Let's not say.
And a quick look at the fiddle, yeah.